Would you like to build a mobile app with your TikToks featured in it? I'll show you how. Hi, my name is Lilia Larchenko and welcome to the Choicely App Masterclass. Choicely App Builder has been used to create dozens of world-class apps, like the Eurovision Song Contest app, Miss Universe app, and the Arsenal Fan TV app. Many of our apps have embedded social media content in them, and TikTok is among the most popular ones. Adding TikTok content is very easy to do with Choicely App Builder. Let's have a look. Go to the TikTok you want to add. Click on the gray Embed sign and click Copy Code. Then go to Articles and choose the article where you want to add the TikTok post, or create a new one. Choose Web and drag it to the article. Go to the right, choose Embed and paste the code. That's it. Would you like to try it out? Go to choicely.com and start building.